Hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to make this awesome, colorful hero section using all stock Gutenberg blocks and the 2024 theme. So no plugins required, no special themes required, and let's dive right in. Now, if this is the first time with WordPress, all you need to do to get to your pages or create a page is go over here to your left, pages. You can either add new or simply edit existing. I'm just going to edit my existing sample page. If you don't want to do this by hand, you can just get our theme and it's already existing pattern. You go to patterns, hero, it's down the bottom once it loads. Right there. And all you need to do is add a menu. That is not what this tutorial is about, so let's go ahead and remove this section. Make sure we're in the parent block and delete it. So to get started, we need to have a group block. It needs to be full width and just select the whole block. And this background needs to be black. Next, you're going to want to make the background black. And also, while we're in here, make sure your block spacing is at 0. Now we're going to add cover block. So just click on the plus and search cover. And we're going to just pick a color for right now. And then we're going to make this appear in the tools, full width. Now we're going to go over here to our right. It's currently on settings. You're going to want to go to styles, overlay, gradient, and you can just start from here. This color is this color code. And then we're going to actually add another color. And this is the color code for that one. And then we're going to add another one right here, which is going to be the same as the one before. And then this color is going to be this color code. Now, you can use whatever colors you want, but these are the colors that I used in the example. You can even slide it and change it to whatever color you want. But the opacity, you need to make sure you let some light or black come through the back. Otherwise, it's going to not have this nice gradient effect. Now go ahead and hit enter. Click off. And I can see we have our two colors, but they're not in the same spot. We can fix that again by going to overlay. And I believe it was 75 degrees. And there we go. The next thing we're going to add is another block here. So do slash stack. And then we're going to add a row in this top one. Search row. And this is where we're going to put our navigation. First off, we're going to set it to space between. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're actually going to add a group block. And in this group block, we're going to have our site logo. And if you don't have one already set, just go ahead and click one. And then in this row block, we're actually going to create another row. And in this row, we're going to have our navigation. And then we're just going to click in here and add a button real fast. And then we're going to style up the button. We're going to use outline. And we're going to choose our border color. And I already have the color picked out. And then we're going to give it a border radius. And that's 77. And we're going to put the text in. And we're just going to make it all capital. So go over here to typography, lowercase, capital. Now we need to fix the alignment of all of this so it actually looks correctly. I'm going to go into the list view. And here we have the stack, the row, navigation. And this actually needs to be within that row. Then we can move it around. And now we want this to be up top. So we actually need to go into the cover block. And this actually tells where things need to be. And there it is up top. And now would be a good time to set content width. So 1200 pixels. And we're going to want to change the align center. We close it out. Space between. And now we just need to add a few more blocks and we'll be done. Now we need to add another block down here. It's going to be columns. 50-50. And we're going to go into the parent column. Go over here to settings. Margin, top and bottom. 15. We're going to change pixels into percent. That will kind of put it there in the middle for you. Now we're going to start by putting a paragraph block in here. So type P, should give you paragraph. I'm just going to copy what I have. And then you can just hit enter. Do slash header. Again, I'm just going to put what I had before. Paste it here. And again, we're going to hit enter. And slash header. I'm going to paste what I had again. And just paste. Now here's where we're going to actually use the same color as this just to tie things together. Let's go ahead and grab that color. The border. Copy it. And color. Custom. There we go. And again, we're going to hit enter. And I'll add what I had there again. And we need to make this a header again. Now we're going to again hit enter. We're going to slash buttons. And we're going to go over here to fill. And we're going to use our background, same color we had before. Paste in that color that we had before. And we're going to tell the text to be white. Be more. Then we're going to add another button in here. Back here to styles, outline. Take this, clear this color. Go down to border. We're going to paste that color here. And now we're also going to change the color to white. More. Now over here, we're going to add a group block. Just need solid. Go into settings. Make sure our block spacing is at 0. And we're going to do custom padding. 4 pixels. 4 pixels. And we're going to do a gradient background again. We're just going to do that one for now. And now we need an image block. Now just search image. Image block. Media library or upload if you have to. Now you can kind of see that we have the framed out. Now we need to add some border radius. 15. And then we need to go back into the group block. And do 15. Save. Go and view it in the front, see how close we got. We need to fix the spacing here. We can also make this image smaller if we like. So let's go back. Go into here. block spacing. Now we're going to bring up the list view, and we're going to select this column, and we're going to do 35. And then we're going to do percent. And now to fix the image, we're just going to shrink it till it fits. And looking good. Again, hit update. Get the front. Much better. You see we have our gradients and our buttons. And you could change it, change the colors, do whatever you like. Now, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.